Hey there, YouTube. Well, today we got our 2003 link belt in the shop today. It's having cutting edge problems. I got one that busted off the other day. I already started by cutting the nuts in half and trying to get all these off. They're so rounded off, they won't spin. They're all different sizes. We're gonna cut them off in half and bust to get all these off and put new cutting edges on. That'll take you boys along. All right, here we go. You know, I just got this cutting edge back on. One thing you're not supposed to do with these bolts are so hardened because they have to maintain material going over them again and again and again, that you're not supposed to use an impact on them because they're literally so hard that they're fragile. You put an impact on them, start zipping them all down, whatever they can break. Or grab your wrench and start going all the way down and tighten them up as tight as you can. They got the beveled edge on the top of them, so that's how they just sit and seat. And then after a little bit of rust and dirt and sand gets them, they really Loctite them in real good. I'll get these tightened down. We'll wrap this guy up. Well, that's a wrap on this one. New cutting edge for the 03 link belt. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe down below.